if you have a dog that sheds a lot, send your dog hair to this organization. And hey guys, welcome back. I'm Laura, I'm a hairstylist, and today we're gonna talk all about donating hair, from what the process looks like to several different organizations that will accept your hair and what each of their qualifications are, from what lengths they accept to if they accept color treated or non-color treated only hair. Below in the description, I'm gonna link each of the organizations that I mentioned here, and you can go to their website and see what their organization is about a little bit more, as well as get all the information you need in order to send your hair to them. So many salons will donate your hair for you. If you go in and let them know that you wanna have it cut to donate, they will handle the process for you if they partner with any specific company. But other salons may just cut the hair for you and then give the hair back to you for you to donate yourself. So typically when donating hair, you want to make sure that you have it neatly wrapped in a ponytail or a hair tie. Most places will not accept hair that is not tied together unless they're accepting hair for oil spills. But if you're looking to donate your hair so it can be used for wigs, maybe for kids or other cancer patients, then you'll want to make sure that the hair is neatly wrapped so that the hair is kept together and not getting loose all over the place. The next thing you want to keep in mind is that the hair is completely dry before you send it in. So this means that you should ask your stylist to cut the hair while it's still dry before it's been shampooed. If you send the hair in when it's still wet, it can get moldy and they won't be able to use it. Next, you'll put the hair in a Ziploc bag and then inside of a padded envelope to then ship to the organization of your choice. So that process is pretty simple. Now let's talk about different organizations that accept hair and what the different qualifications are, because they each do have different rules for what hair they will accept. So the first organization on my list is Locks of Love. And I want to point out that Locks of Love has been the topic of controversy because there was talk that Locks of Love was actually charging the recipients for wigs, and this is not actually true. The only time Locks of Love charges for hair is if gray hair is donated to them. Since they mostly provide wigs for children and children can't use gray hair, they actually take the gray hair and make wigs for senior citizens, and they do sell those wigs in order to fund the rest of their hair for children. So they do not charge children for wigs, but they do charge anyone requesting a gray hair wig. Locks of Love accepts hair that has been colored or permed, but not bleached. So if you have highlighted hair, unfortunately, they will not be able to use the highlighted pieces in the hair. And Locks of Love will accept hair that is a minimum of 10 inches long. So number 2 on our list is Wigs for Kids. Unfortunately, Wigs for Kids does not accept hair that has been color treated or chemically altered at all. So this means that you must have 100% virgin hair. This is just due to their sanitation process. The hair has to undergo a bit of a chemical process to make sure the hair is fully cleaned and ready to be given to somebody else. And for Wigs for Kids, the hair needs to be a minimum of 12 inches. So this organization has a little bit stricter rules than Locks for Love does. Okay, the next organization, number 3, is Hair We Share. So just like Locks for Love, they will accept hair that has been colored or permed, but not bleached. They also will not accept hair that is any fantasy colors. So if you've got pink hair, that's not gonna work. And their minimum donation length is 12 inches. Hair We Share also requires a minimum donation fee of $25 to help with the processing of the hair in order to gift it to kids. Hair We Share also has a ponytail tracking program, and you can become a part of it if you donate $125. Now, I don't know exactly what this entails. You can find more information on the website, but I'm guessing that you'll be informed of where your hair is going to, which is kind of cool. Our next organization, number 4, is Children with Hair Loss. Now, this organization has the most lenient rules out of all of them. Their minimum donation length is only 8 inches. And this is the shortest length accepted of anywhere I've ever seen before. Non-chemically hair is always preferred, but they will accept any hair as long as it's in good condition. I actually saw bleached hair in ponytails on their website, and this is pretty incredible because before hearing about this organization, I thought that nowhere would accept bleached hair. So if you have a small amount of hair that you want to donate, or your hair has been highlighted or bleached, this is the organization that I recommend you look into. Okay, so number 5 is Pink Heart Funds. And again, this organization will accept hair that has been color treated or permed, but not over processed or bleached. And their minimum length requirement is 13 inches. So the hair needs to be a little bit longer for this group. And number 6, the last one, is Matter of Trust. So Matter of Trust is actually a little bit different than the rest of the organizations because they're not taking hair donations for wigs. They accept hair and even pet fur in order to help clean up oil spills. So this group is great because you can take your hair, even if it's not wrapped into a ponytail, and send it in. Or if you have a dog that sheds a lot, send your dog hair to this organization and you can feel like you're actually making a difference. They even accept lint. So this is a pretty great organization to be aware of. So for most of these organizations, after you send your hair in, you'll receive a certificate for donating. You typically can't use the hair donation as a tax write-off, but if you send in a monetary donation with the hair, you can write that off. Sending a money donation in with your hair does really help the company to process the costs of making the wigs. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on this, leave it for me in the comments. Make sure you subscribe if you want to make every day a good hair day.